At Therm, we design our pads for a life in the outdoors. Repairing your gear keeps it out of the landfill and on the trail for years to come. If your sleeping pad's valve was stomped, squashed, mangled, or chewed up by your dog, the WingLock Valve Repair Kit can get your sleeping pad trail ready in a few easy steps. I'll be showing you how to use the kit on our Therm mattress, but this kit works for any pad with one of our high-performance WingLock valves. Your valve repair kit includes a new valve and a tube of lubricant. The valve in the kit may be a different color, but it will function exactly the same. To remove the old valve, open the valve as far as you can. Then, open the wings and firmly take hold of the base. Pull the valve and the base in opposite directions, pulling the valve straight out. The wings will come free with the valve. If the valve won't come free, send it to our repair team in Seattle to get your valve replaced by following the instructions at thermarest.com/warranty. Before installing the new valve, clean the valve seat thoroughly. Once the valve seat is clean, add a bit of lubricant onto the O-ring of the new valve. Carefully push the valve into the sleeping pad until it's fully seated into the valve opening. Next, inspect the O-ring to ensure that it's properly seated. To ensure the O-ring is properly seated, look through the clear valve base and check if the orange O-ring is visible. If it is visible, the O-ring is not properly seated. Sometimes, twisting the wings will properly reseat the O-ring. Wipe away any extra lubricant and inflate your pad. We recommend allowing it to sit overnight to ensure the new valve is airtight. To check out our repair kits or learn more about our warranty and repair shop, visit thermarest.com.